नमस्कार, मैं 7वीं कक्षा का कृष्णनी हूँ। आज मैं तुम्हारे सामने हिंदी प्राचीन कवियों सर्वश्रेष्ठ कबीरदास के बारे में प्रस्तुत करना चाहता हूँ। कबीरदास के दोहे बहुत प्रसिद्ध है। जरा हम कबीरदास के बारे में सुने।
कबीर के जन्म के संबंध में अनेक किंवदंतियां हैं। उनका जन्म 1398 में हुआ था। कुछ लोगों के अनुसार वे जगत गुरु रामानंद स्वामी के आशीर्वाद से काशी की एक विधवा ब्राह्मणी के गर्भ से उत्पन्न हुए थे। ब्राह्मणी उस नवजात शिशु को लहरतारा तालाब के पास फेंक आई। उसे नीरू नाम का जुलाहत अपने घर ले आई। उसने उसका पालन पोषण किया। बाद में यही बालक कबीर कहलाया। कबीरदास के प्रसिद्ध दोहे में से एक जरा सुनिए। काल करे सो आज कर, आज करे सो अब, पल में प्रलय होगी, भोरी करेगा कब, टुमारो नेवर कम्स, जस्ट डू राइट नाउ। ये उनका प्रसिद्ध दोहा है। जरा उनके बारे में इंग्लिश में सुनिए। He was a person who lived in the 15th century in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. He is Kabir Das. He is also known as Kabira. He was born in 1398. He was an Indian mystic poet and saint whose writing influenced Hinduism Bhakti movement and verses are found in Sikhism scripture Guru Granth Sahib. His early life was in a Muslim family, but he was strongly influenced by his teacher, the Hindu Bhakti leader Ramananda, Sufism and Bhakti. He was influenced by Sikhism and Rabindranath Tagore. Kabir is known for being critical of both organized religion and religions. He questioned unwanted practices in Hindu and Muslim religions. He was died in 1518 in Magar, Uttar Pradesh. When he died, both Muslims and Hindus claimed him as theirs. He suggested the truth path for people who are living in a wrong way. For making this, he suggested drop the I or the ego. Some religious community considered him as their founder, which was known as Kabir Panth or Path of Kabir. His founders gave him the position as the one of the sand-mad sects. They were known as Kabir Panthis. So this is about Kabir Das. All of you should read the poems of Kabir Das. His poems are known as Doha. His poetries are known as Bijaga. His dohas merely deal with God and humanity. The poems also speak about human deeds and cult. Dear friends, you should read these books. It will give you lots of wisdom and moral.
नमस्कार, मैं 7वीं कक्षा की जिया हूँ। आज मैं आपके सामने मीराबाई का जीवन परिचय पेश करने वाली हूँ। मीराबाई जी का जन्म 1498 में राजस्थान की चौकड़ी नामक गांव में हुआ था। इनके पिता का नाम रत्न सिंह था। बचपन से ही वे कृष्ण जी की भक्ति में डूबी हुई थी। उनका विवाह उदयपुर के महाराणा कुंवर बोचराज के साथ हुआ। विवाह के कुछ साल बाद ही उनके पति स्वर्गवास हो गए। पति की मृत्यु होने पर लोगों ने उन्हें सती होने को कहा, लेकिन वे नहीं मानी। उन्हें संसार से मोह माया नहीं रही और वे कृष्ण जी की भक्ति में लीन हो गई। वे कृष्ण जी के भजन गाकर नाचने में मग्न रही। Now let's hear the English speech about Mirabai. Sant Mira or Mirabai was a Hindu poet and a great devotee of Krishna. She was born in the year 1498 in Rajasthan. Mira's mother and father died when Mira was 7 years old. At 1516, Mira got married to Prince Bhojraj. At 1521, Mira's husband died in a battle. After losing her husband, Mira began to devote more ritual practices. She is a celebrated Bhakti saint, particularly in the North Indian Hindu tradition. There is a number of compositions of poems by her continue to be sung today in India. Rag Govind, Geet Govind and Mira Ki Malhar are some of the poems sung by her. Mira's songs are in a symbol form called Pada or the verse, composed in a symbol rhythm. The English translation of her books were published by Easton and Subramaniam. Nowadays, we can purchase these books from online platforms with their Kindle editions. I am mentioning some of them. For the Love of the Dark One, rupees 915. Sweet on My Lips, rupees 1901. You must read these books.
नमस्कार, मैं 7वीं कक्षा की जैसिका हूँ। आज मैं तुम्हारे सामने जयशंकर प्रसाद का प्रसिद्ध कामायनी पुस्तक के बारे में बोलना चाहती हूँ। इस पुस्तक के बारे में बोलते समय सदा जयशंकर प्रसाद के बारे में भी सुनी।
जयशंकर प्रसाद का जन्म सन 1889 में काशी प्रतिष्ठित वैश्य परिवार में हुआ था। इनके पिता का नाम वसुदेवी प्रसाद था, माता का नाम मुन्नी देवी था। बचपन में पिता की मृत्यु हो जाने से इनकी प्रारंभिक शिक्षा घर पर ही हुई। घर पर ही इन्होंने हिंदी, अंग्रेजी, संस्कृत, उर्दू, फारसी आदि का गहन अध्ययन किया। अपने जीवन में इन्होंने काफी अपने व्यवसाय की ओर ध्यान नहीं दिया। सन 1937 में अल्पावस्था है कि क्षय रोग से व्यक्त होकर स्वर्ग सिधार गए।
Jaishankar Prasad, a most celebrated personality related to the modern Hindi literature and Hindi theatre, was born on 13 January in the year 1889 and died at 14 January in the year 1937. He was a great Indian poet, novelist and dramatist, born to a simple Madhuri Vaishya family of Varanasi, UP, India. His father, Babu Devgi Prasad, has his own business related to tobacco dealings. Jaishankar Prasad had to face some financial problems in his family as he has lost his father in his young age. Because of such financial problems, he could not study further than 8th class. However, he was so keen to know many languages, past histories and Hindi literature. That's why he continued his study at home. As he continued his study, he was much influenced from the Vedas, which imitated him in a deep philosophical rival. आज मैं कामायनी पुस्तक के बारे में बोलती हूँ, सुनिए। कामायनी is a Hindi epic poem by Jaishankar Prasad. It is considered one of the greatest literary works written in the modern times of Hindi literature. It also signifies the epitome of the Jayavadi school of Hindi poetry, which gained popularity in the late 19th century and early 20th century. Kamayani has personalities like Manu, Ida and Shraddha who were found at the Vedas. Kamayani depicts the interplay of human emotions, thoughts and actions by taking mythological metaphors. You should definitely read this book because it is really interesting. So keep reading books.
नमस्कार, मैं 7वीं कक्षा की ज्वाला हूँ। आज मैं तुम्हारे सामने मुंशी प्रेमचंद जी का परिचय देना चाहती हूँ, उनके नॉवल के बारे में भी। हिंदी साहित्य सम्राट का प्रमुख व्यक्ति है मुंशी प्रेमचंद जी। इनका उपन्यास या नॉवल गोदान बहुत प्रसिद्ध है। गोदान हिंदी में पब्लिश किया 1936 को, इसका विवर्तन इंग्लिश में किया 1987 हो। जरा हम मुंशी जी के बारे में सुनिए। प्रेमचंद का जन्म 31 अदार 1880 को बनारस शहर से 4 मील दूर लेम्ही गांव में हुआ था। पिता का नाम अजय ब्राय टकाने में नौकर का तैर पर काम करते थे। उनकी शिक्षा का आरंभ उर्दू फारसी से हुआ। 1936 को यह द्वीप सदा के लिए बुझ गई। तूफान आते हैं, कश्तियाँ पलट जाते हैं, पर कुछ लोग मर के फिर अमर हो जाते हैं। देखो उनका सर्वश्रेष्ठ उपन्यास या गोदान के बारे में जरा सुनिए। Godan is regarded as an important novel originally written in Urdu and published in 1936, later translated into English and other languages. Mainly focused on the lifestyle of rural area, though he has also presented a glimpse of urban lifestyle. Highlighted various aspects of life of a poor farmer living in rural area during the British rule. Focus on the issues like exploitation, untouchability, poverty, hunger, etc. This novel is very heart-touching and very interesting. You must read this, otherwise it will be a big loss for you. Thank you.